Did you know that eliminating just one simple morning ritual can boost our productivity up by 40%? Today we're diving into something that's so simple. No food till noon. It's a game changer. It can completely transform our energy, our focus, and even our health. Hi, I'm VeRAWonica, and if you're new to this channel, I help busy people transform their mind and their body so they can have the best health and wellness ever. If you're ready to crush your goals, have more energy and mental focus, stick around because this video is for you. This is a simple practice that transformed my life, and I'm sure it can do the same for you. You know, we've all been told that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? Is it? From childhood, we were taught that we need to eat as soon as we wake up in order to jumpstart our day. What if it isn't entirely correct? What if eating right away is actually slowing us down or harming us? When we eat right after waking up, especially foods high in sugar and carbohydrates, cereal, toast, pancakes, bagels, etc., our body has to shift its focus from other essential tasks like detoxing and repairing our cells to digesting our food, which, by the way, takes anywhere from 10 to 30% of our total body's energy to do. This can make us feel tired, bloated, lethargic, low on energy, and unfocused even before we start our day. When we eat carbs and sugary foods after waking, we spike our blood sugar levels, which leads to a crash soon after, and so goes the cycle. So let's get into the power of fasting for breakfast. This break gives our digestive system a longer time to rest and repair, which improves our digestion, reduces bloating, helps us release weight, boosts our energy and vitality, and improves our mental clarity and focus, as well as helping us release some weight so we feel light and comfortable. This break gives our digestive system a longer time to rest and repair, which improves our digestion and reduces bloating. It helps us release weight and boost our energy and vitality, and even improves our mental clarity and focus. And also, it helps us to feel light and more comfortable. So what are some of the benefits of no food till noon? Number one, we go into fat burning mode. When we fast for long periods such as overnight and into the morning, our body begins to burn fat for fuel, which helps us with weight management and our overall health. Imagine burning fat without any effort. Number two, we have fewer cravings. By not eating right away, we avoid blood sugar spikes and crashes that come with traditional breakfast foods. And this means fewer cravings and more sustained energy throughout the morning. Grab my free cravings chart. Number three, it helps us stabilize our blood sugar. When we fast, our body doesn't have to focus on digesting our food. Instead, it uses that energy to fuel our brain and other organs. Number four, we experience increased energy and focus. Because we're using our energy to fuel our brain and not using our energy to digest our food, our focus becomes better and we experience an increase of overall energy. Every time we put something into our mouth, even a small piece of popcorn, imagine our digestive system is like being on a treadmill doing a full speed workout every time food is presented to it. By not eating, the digestive system gets a mini vacation and our body can use that energy to do so many needed things, like repair cells, detox cells and organs, regenerate our cells, reproduce new cells, and replace dead and damaged cells, and so much more. By fasting until noon, our body does not have to work as hard as when we eat solid food. During our morning fast, we should drink plenty of good quality water and a green drink or juice, which doesn't put any burden on our digestive system. Check out my Green is the New Black. It's an ebook full of instructions on why to have a green drink, how to have a green drink, along with green drink recipes, and of course, bonuses. And if you're looking for a premium juicer, we're affiliated with Nama Well. I personally use Nama J2 Juicer. You can use my discount code VeRAWonica when ordering. By keeping busy, whether it's going to the gym, working out, writing out your affirmations, doing tasks around your house, going for a walk in nature, making your green drink, or juicing, you'll be surprised how quickly the morning flies by when you're focused on something else. If you're wondering if you can really do this, the answer is yes, you can. Fasting until noon is a small change with big benefits. Once you start to feel the positive effects on your body and your mind, you won't even want to go back to eating breakfast. Waking up feeling energized, breezing through your morning with focus and clarity, increasing your productivity and releasing weight are just a few of the results from no food till noon. It's a win-win all the way, every day. Take the challenge. Commit to fasting until noon for just 7 days. That's it, 1 week. Experiment with this new morning ritual. Keep track of how you feel. Notice the changes in your energy and focus and even your mood, and you'll notice the amazing results. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you'd like to see more fuel style changes, mindset shifting, positive thinking, and manifestation strategies, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. I love hearing from you, so please drop your thoughts and your questions in the comments below. I want to thank you again for watching. It means the world to me. And if you're interested in more transformational tips on how to live a rawlicious life, subscribe to my channel. I'd love it if you could share with anyone you know about my new course, which is geared towards busy entrepreneurs and leaders who want efficient strategies to manage stress, improve health, and have abundant energy, all in one place, so they can optimize growth and success without experiencing burnout or overwhelm ever again. Change Your Game is a complete wellness transformation blueprint, and pre-registration is now open. All links and coaching information are in the description below. Thanks again for watching. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my weekly Raw News, which comes out every Monday. I'm VeRAWonica. See you in the next video, and have a raw amazing day.